State Department of Economic and Statistics jonai thake sabti manually issue kriyana thake certificate of birth bra proof of death and place of birth computer generated khan milai gina poila cholai thake nishna legal documents recognize kri thakbo ko dia ase update the department khan jonai thake tu kunba agency aro institution khan manually issue of birth and death certificate accept krubole refuse kri thakya kani department khan to legal document continue krubole clarify dia ase khobote coordination meeting for Republic Day celebration kani ADC office chamber pungroti ADC jams ti khulu NCS chart krugina meeting to government official representatives NGOs aro school institution khan sobra attend krugena kotha kuri loishiko ase meeting te alag alag responsibilities logina department hesab phakri dishe smooth preparation for Republic Day celebration rakhi lobo nimite aro meeting te ADC to head of department HOD of department khan ge station krugina nijor laga tinerti balkam rakhil bole urge krugena fruitful discussion rakhilwa report dia ase Hyderabad city bra ami khan shokin khobor pa thake asabti accused motabra nijor laga maki murai digena piece kuri kati disha aro body part pressure cooker te pakagena alag alag location te phelai dishiko ase sources pa thake asabti hatsa 2 January 16 te hogina accused Grumuti residents of Dantupaki Bosti ta laga in-law dujon missing report digena thaka tu accused mota maki hotai issue hoi thakya nimiti suspicious hoi jaisha aro huta huti kurgena jatu accused Grumuti tai nijor murai digena thakya confess kri dishiko ase itu karni police kan accused mota thorigena lash dabai dia investigation sur kurgena family condition sai ahatu accused mota army voluntary retirement hogena 13 years ageti vinkata dujon sadikuri lusha aro bacha tuita kurgena ikiloko thaki aha chamla hotai ulai thakya neighbors khan rapi report disheko ase khobote Maharashtra Jargon district ti train accident hatsa lukpa connection ti manum rija 13 hoija shekoina report dia ase aro accident hatsa tu Mumbai bound Pushpak Express te berai thakya passengers khan train phitorti ju ulai ja shekoina jam kura tu Karnataka Express Bangalore side bra Delhi ja thakya adjacent track te ahi jaina tate bra accident hatsa lukpa ja sheko ase Pushpak Express passengers khan la report ti compartment phitorti ju ulai ja shekoina alarm ho jaise itu karni passengers maki bacha khan sobra jam kura sur ho jaise aro manu bishi jokhum pa ja sheko ase aro kumpa emergency chen tani digina train rukhai disha aro tatibra rukhita gya damti alag direction train ekta ahijan miti iman jon laga jan harai dishe koina report dia ase hatsa opoti Maharashtra Chief Minister Ajit Pawar press addressing kura sabti train phitor kumpa misgrant khanbra mishamshi ju hatsa ulaija alarm kridigina itubra passengers panic hojaisha aro 13 jon laga jan harai dia Munduk Express kridigina state government khanbra medical expenses khan sob cover up kuri dibole jonai dishe khobote government school Chitagar bra ekta breaking khobor pai thake asabti school principal aro female teacher dujon office phitorti naha kam kuri thakya hidden CCTV footage social media platform ti viral hojaisha aro dujon ke pi suspended kuri dishe koina report pailoi ase local report ti school staff khan tu bishidere accused dujon ki suspicious kurgena ahijashe hulipi principal ekta authority cholai thakya nimiti iman chipchap kurgena ahijasha aro hotai din female teacher dujon tu dor kholi rakhigena questionable behavior kuri thakya parents khan jepi khobor kurgena complaint ahijashe ko ase iman objectionable kam kuri ahigena complaint dilepi school principal oporte iku action nola nimiti concerned parents aro school staff khanbra principal office ti hidden camera install kridigina through camera ti inappropriate condition bra choli thakya recorded krila release kurgena formal complaint education department aro police khan ki immediate action rakhibo kani demand kuri dishe ko ase local bosti manu khan complain dia sabti education department official khan investigation rakhi disha aro detail record pai jan miti school principal Arvind Vyas aro female teacher dujon kepi suspended kri digena explanation notice serve kri disha aro juti time digena thakya frame ti response krubole fail ho jaise koile position bra hatai dibole warning kri disha koina report pailu ase